Most people grow up believing that wealth is for the lucky, the gifted, or the people born into the right families. But the truth is much simpler. Wealth is math, and the math has changed. Not for CEOs, not for celebrities, not for trust fund kids. It's changed for regular people, 9-to-5 workers, parents holding 2 jobs, people living paycheck to paycheck, people who feel one emergency away from collapse. Right now, a massive shift is happening. A new gold rush, powered by technology, digital systems, and income streams that didn't exist 10 years ago. You don't need Hollywood connections. You don't need a degree. You don't need 1 million followers. You just need to understand the new rules. Because here's the crazy part. Most people have no idea how close they really are to breaking out. This Wealth Mode breakdown pulls back the curtain on the new math behind the money and shows how ordinary people are hitting freedom faster than ever. Stick around. This might change the way you see everything. Chapter 1, the new wealth reality. For decades, society taught one path. Go to school, get a job, work 40 years, retire slowly, and hope for the best. But that formula collapsed, not because people got lazy, but because the economy evolved faster than the education system. Here's the new reality. A teenager with a phone can out-earn someone with a degree. A truck driver can build digital income after work. A stay-at-home parent can make more online than a full-time job. An entry-level worker can surpass a supervisor in 60 to 120 days. Why? Because the old world paid you for labor, but the new world pays you for leverage. Leverage is a system that works while you sleep, a product that sells after you make it, content that pays you long after you post it, automation that replaces hours with output. Leverage doesn't care who you are, only what you build. That's why people with less experience are out-earning people with more education. The rules change, but most people never got the update. If the rules change, what does freedom actually cost now? Chapter 2, the real cost of freedom. Freedom isn't $1 million dream, it's a simple monthly number, and most people overestimate how much they need. There are 3 levels. 1, survival freedom, $3,000 a month. Enough to pay rent or mortgage, cover food, pay utilities, handle transportation, and stop drowning in stress. This level gives you your breath back. Number 2, comfort freedom, $5,000 a month. Enough to save consistently, improve your lifestyle, stop panicking at every bill, buy better food and better time, and finally feel in control. Most people don't need millions, they need this feeling. Number 3, full freedom, $10,000 a month, where you control your time, you can walk away from your job, you can invest seriously, you can help your family, you can think long term. This isn't yachts and private jets. This is your life on your terms. Most people can reach one of these levels, but they never restructure their finances. They stay stuck in the same system, the same habits, the same cycle, until something changes. Nothing changes. So why do most people never get ahead, even when they work hard? Chapter 3, why most people never get ahead. It's not laziness, it's not lack of effort, and it's definitely not lack of intelligence. Most people stay stuck because they're trapped in survival mode. Here's how survival math works. Money comes in, bills take it, emergencies drain it, debt steals the rest. You start the month over at 0. This forces your brain into fight or flight mode, where planning feels impossible, risk feels dangerous, opportunities feel out of reach, long-term thinking shuts down. You're not building, you're defending. Meanwhile, wealthy people work from a different system. They separate their time from their income. Every hour they work creates output that keeps paying them later. Videos, digital products, subscriptions, automation, content libraries, recurring services. You don't need to be rich to escape survival math. You just need one system that pays you after you build it. Chapter 4, wealth is not work, it's systems. Rich people don't treat money like stress. They treat money like infrastructure. Wealth isn't about working harder. It's about working once and getting paid repeatedly. Here are the systems everyday people use now. Digital products, subscription communities, automated funnels, downloadable templates, evergreen content, affiliate programs, simple software tools, recurring retainers, AI-assisted services. Hourly workers start every pay cycle at zero. People with systems start every pay cycle ahead. One video can pay for months. One product can sell for years. One funnel can run 24/7. One client can cover bills. Most people don't need 100 systems. They just need one. So what are the tools making regular people wealthy right now? Chapter 5, the new money tools. This is the gold rush. This is the part your parents never taught you because these tools didn't exist. Number 1, digital products from $7 to $47. With the right niche, people earn $300 to $2,000 a month in 60 to 90 days, $3,000 to $10,000 a month within a year, even with small audiences. Zero shipping, zero inventory, zero overhead. Number 2, AI and automation. AI now does editing, writing, design, content organization, lead generation, customer support. Automation handles emails, sales, posting, delivery, and follow-up, meaning you can scale without scaling effort. Number 3, content is digital real estate. One video is a digital employee that works forever. A library of 100 videos can bring traffic, sell products, boost affiliate income, and create long-term earnings. You don't need millions of views, you need consistency. Number 4, skill-based microservices, editing, thumbnails, automation, design, coaching. People charge $300 per project, $500 for specialized work, $1,000 to $1,500 per month retainer. One skill can rewrite a person's future. The truth, you don't need all of these. You only need one working system. Chapter 6, the real math of financial freedom. Let's break down the real numbers. $1,000 a month, one of the easiest goals. 1 to 2 clients, a small YouTube channel, a digital product selling 3 copies per day, a simple automation funnel. This alone changes everything. $3,000 to $5,000 a month. Comfort freedom. This usually comes from 2 to 3 income streams, 1 recurring client plus digital sales, a small audience plus affiliate marketing, a product ecosystem. $10,000 a month. Full freedom. This is where time becomes yours. Investment becomes real. Stress disappears. Family can be supported. Life opens up. Thousands of regular people are hitting this number without fame. They're doing it through consistency, simple systems, realistic goals, compounding habits. No hype, no luck, just math. Chapter 7, the wealth mindset that makes it all work. Here's the mindset difference between people who win in this new economy and people who don't. Winners stay consistent. They set small weekly goals, build skills deeply. They avoid hype and distractions. They post even when nobody is watching. They think long term. They treat money like a system, not a mystery. This new gold rush isn't about being the smartest. It's about being the most consistent. Small actions plus long time equals wealth. Chapter 8, the final message. The new gold rush is already here. You are living in a moment that people in the past dreamed about. For the first time in history, regular people, workers, parents, students, immigrants, basically anyone, have access to the same tools that billion-dollar companies use. This new gold rush isn't luck, it's leverage, it's systems, it's consistency. Wealth today is built $500 at a time, one product at a time, one skill at a time, one habit at a time. You don't need permission. You don't need perfection. You don't need a big audience. You need a system and the discipline to stick with it. The opportunity is wide open. The only question now is, will you step into it? This is Wealth Mode.